Hello students, today we will do surface area of a sphere and hemisphere. So firstly, what is a sphere? A sphere is a perfectly round geometrical three-dimensional object. It can be characterized as the set of all points located distance r, radius, away from a given point center. It is perfectly symmetrical and has no edges or vertices. Students, diagram of a surface you can see in your book perfectly. When you see the diagram of this sphere, you can see that area of a sphere is exactly equals to area of four circles. So firstly we will derive surface area of a sphere. So we can, when you see the diagram, you can see that surface area of a sphere is equals to 4 times the area of a circle. So we know that area of a circle equals to 4 pi r square. So 4 times 4 into pi r square. So surface area of a sphere equals to 4 pi r square. Students, you can see this in your book. Now hemisphere. Firstly, what is hemisphere? If we divide a sphere into two equal parts, then each half is called a hemisphere. Here the word hemi means half. So if we divide a sphere into two equal parts, then each half is called hemisphere. So now we will derive curved surface area of hemisphere and total surface area of hemisphere. So curved surface area of a hemisphere, that is equals to surface area of a sphere upon 2, because curved surface area of a hemisphere is half the surface area of the sphere. So surface area of a sphere 4 pi r square and divided by 2. So curved surface area of a hemisphere equals to 2 pi r square. Now when we find total surface area of hemisphere, then we can see that a hemisphere has two faces, a curved face and a flat face, that is base of that hemisphere. So total surface area of hemisphere equals to area of its two faces. One of its face is curved face and other its base. So area of curved face is equals to 2 pi r square and its base is just a circle. So that is equals to pi r square. So total surface area of hemisphere equals to 2 pi r square plus pi r square, that is equals to 3 pi r square. Now we will discuss some problems based on sphere and hemisphere. So first question is, find the surface area of a sphere of radius 7 cm. Here radius of a sphere is given, that is equals to 7 cm, and we have to find its surface area. So firstly, surface area of a sphere equals to 4 pi r square. Now we have to put the value of r in this formula. 4 pi equals to 22 upon 7, r equals to 7. So r square equals to 7 into 7. When we solve this, we get our answer 616 centimeter square centimeter. Okay students, here radius is given and we have to find the value of surface area of a sphere. So when we put the value of radius r equals to 7 centimeter in the formula 4 pi r square, then we get our answer 616 centimeter square. Now our next question is, the radius of a hemisphere is 3.5 centimeter. Here radius of hemisphere is given. Then find its total surface area. Students, in this question we have to find total surface area of a hemisphere and radius is given. So radius of hemisphere equals to 3.5 centimeter. So total surface area of a hemisphere equals to 3 pi r square. So when we put the value of r equals to 3.5, then we get 3 into 22 upon 7 into 3.5 into 3.5. Since when we solve it, we get our answer 115.5 centimeter square or square centimeter. Okay students, in both of these questions radius is given of a sphere and hemisphere and we have to find the value of its surface area and total surface area. But our next question is little different. In this question curved surface area of a sphere is given and we have to find its radius. The curved surface area of a ball is 616 square centimeter. Find its radius. In this question, curved surface area is given and we have to find its radius. So, curved surface area of a ball and a ball is an example of a sphere. So, curved surface area of a ball equals to 616 centimeter square. So, what is the curved surface area of a sphere? That is equals to 4 pi r square. So, 4 pi r square equals to 616. Now, we have to find the value of radius r. Then we transpose 4 pi from left hand side to right hand side. So, r square equals to 616 upon 4 into pi. Now, we will put value of pi 22 upon 7. So, r square equals to 616 into 7 upon 4 into 22. And then we get our answer r square equals to 49. Since when r square equals to 49 and we have to find the value of r, then r equals to square root of 49 and that is equals to 7 centimeter. Students, in this question we find radius of a sphere, but after finding its radius we can find its volume by its formula. So, in this chapter or part of surface area is done. From tomorrow we will start our next part, that is volume. We will do volume of cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone and sphere and hemisphere. Okay students.